I know the government has expended a lot of energy building villas and planting palm trees in anticipation of the upcoming SADC summit. Ashpere mushe mure Zimbabwe para mafadza emaira uye achifilisa Idi Mnangagwa and his regime guilty. Achiti yes, you are going to receive the chairmanship, but do you know kuti pane mutemo unokusunga? Isabe namashoko ataura neevidence yaprovide ndobva subscribe or like out now the bell icon. Tivina bendo pakanyora chiti. However, have you taken any time to read the SADC Treaty so that you understand the principles and international law that govern the institution that you soon chair? Are you familiar with the Article 4 of the SADC Treaty? Are you aware that Zimbabwe is required to respect human rights, democracy, and the rule of law by legal instruments that creates the institution you now wish to lead? And Pabooster, the SADC Treaty seyamuri kuona iyo tikaenda pa item C parikunzi human rights, democracy, and the rule of law. Pachinzi SADC and its member states must act in accordance with the following principles. Pasi ndo panzi human rights, democracy, and rule of law. Pachinzi kana Zimbabwe ichinge wana chairmanship inokwanisa here tichiona kuti aiwa amuna the rule of law, amuna democracy munyika yeZimbabwe, ma human rights ari kuviolated. Mashoko atogwa pana fadza email achiwa provide evidence kuti aiwa I think nyika yeZimbabwe haisati yava fit kuti iwane uchairmanship. Mashoko ari kubuditswa pana fadza email. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu. Musangano subscribe like, so turn on the bell icon.